Good morning, you are listening Sanjeevani, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 24th July 2020. The Supreme Court on Thursday said the Rajasthan High Court can pass orders on rebel Congress MLA's plea against disqualification notice from Rajasthan Speaker CP Joshi. The apex court refused the request of Rajasthan Speaker CP Joshi to stay the Rajasthan High Court proceeding on Sachin Pilot and 18 other rebel Congress MLAs' petition against disqualification notice. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone for Manipur water supply project through video conferencing on Thursday. PM Modi stated, "This project will give clean drinking water to Greater Imphal and 1700 villages in Manipur. It will provide a lifeline to these people." He added that he was giving a Raksha Bandhan gift to the women of Manipur. Mumbai Crime Branch will question 10 Bollywood personalities for getting fake followers and likes on social media. As per reports, it reportedly includes two leading actresses who was alleged to have been part of this crime. The main mastermind of this scam, Kashif Mansoor, a civil engineer, was arrested from Jogeshwari last night, said Times Now. The army on Thursday said the government has issued an order for granting permanent commission to women officers in the force. This has paved the way for empowering women officers to shoulder larger role, it added. Their selection board will be scheduled as soon as all affected SSC women officers exercise their option and complete requisite documentation, the army said. Delhi has recorded 50% more rainfall than normal in July, the India Meteorological Department said on Thursday. However, since June 1st, the monsoon season begins, the national capital has recorded 29% less rainfall than normal. Meanwhile, at least 4 people have died in recent rain-related incident in Delhi. The Central Seat Allocation Board has relaxed eligibility criteria for admission to NEETs and other centrally funded technical institutes this year. JEE Mains 2020 qualified candidates will only need a passing certificate in Class 12 examinations. Usually, candidates must secure a minimum of 75% in Class 12 board exams or rank among the top 20 percentile in their qualifying exams. I, Sanjeevani, will come with latest updated tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.